Now, without any delay, I would like to call the participants on the stage to give their views on the topic why Mahatma Gandhi is called as Bapu. The first speaker of this day, I would like to announce her name. She is Rajashree Satpathy of St. Xavier High School from class 8. Ladies and gentlemen, give a big hand for Rajashree Satpathy.
Namaskar. Namaskar. The person who was not more than a minute late at the meeting of the University Union, the person who and whose was the inseparable companion. According to him, being late was equivalent to stealing another person's precious time. Do you know who was he? Yes, he was none other than Gandhiji, our beloved Bapuji. Good afternoon, respected judges, all the teachers, my friends, my younger brothers and sisters, and everyone who is present here. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Myself Rajashree Satpathy, I read in standard 8. Today I am thankful to all of you for giving me the opportunity to describe why Mahatma Gandhi is called as a Bapu. Bapu means father in Gujarati and Hindi. Mahatma Gandhi thought the country as his family. Like a father, he had no discrimination among the people. He was always ready to serve the people. He played a vital role in India's struggle for independence, guiding the nation like a father. His approach to leadership was not forceful but gentle and powerful. Bapu was a title given to Mahatma Gandhi when Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose on 6 July 1944 on his address through Singapore radio as condolence on the demise of Gandhiji's wife Kasturba Gandhi. Moreover, Gandhiji's simplicity is a lifestyle of wearing simple clothes, living among poor, and focusing on self-reliance, reinforced his image as a Bapu. Also, the Indians followed him like children to a father, trusting his vision for an independent India. His willingness to sacrifice the betterment of his children because he believed that the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter, an Indian lawyer, one of the history's greatest political figures, social activist, and a writer who became a leader of the nationalist movement against British rule in India. His birthday is commemorated on October 2 as Gandhi Jayanti, a national holiday and the International Day of Non-Violence around the world. Also, this day is celebrated as Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti. He was born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father, Karamchand Gandhi, was holding the post of the chief minister at that time. His mother, Putilibai, was a deeply religious and charitable woman. After Gandhiji completed his schooling in India, he went to London to study barrister in law. He became a barrister and returned to India in mid-1891. He started practicing as a lawyer in Mumbai. He was then sent by a firm to South Africa where he took up a position. He spent almost 20 years in South Africa with his wife Kasturbai and their children. There he was distinguished from light-skinned people by his complexion. Once he was thrown out of a first-class train compartment. Despite having a valid ticket, it was there that he changed his mind and decided to become a political activist. Gandhiji worked towards achieving Swaraj, improving economic conditions of farmers, empowering women, removing untouchability, and many other social evils. He also started the non-cooperation movement in 1920. Dandi March or Salt Satyagraha in 1930. Quit India movement in 1942 as a call to British to leave He struggled a lot and used all his might to free us from Britishers and force the British to leave India forever. Internationally, Gandhiji's influence stretched far beyond India. Leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela were inspired by his teachings, viewing him as a father of non-violent resistance worldwide. In conclusion, he was assassinated on January 30, 1948 by a Hindu activist, Nathuram Godse, but he still lives in the hearts of people. In conclusion, Mahatma Gandhi is called Bapu because he was a fatherly figure who led India with compassion, love and wisdom. He nurtured the ideas of truth and non-violence. Bapu is not just a title, but a reflection of the deep connection people held about him as their guide, protector and a moral character. At last, I want to recite a short poem on Mahatma Gandhi. The man with a stick and a simple structure who shook the mighty British Empire. He was the one-man army and an inspiration to many. He was earned an inspiration, a man with a global reputation, being the father of our nation. His biggest weapon in his defense was his love for non-violence. He taught us the important lesson of life, that there is love, there is life. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajashri Satpathy, for your precious